The jacketed glass filtration reactor is made of sintered double-layer glass with a space between layers allowing circulation of cooling or heating liquids, and its unique inlet design ensures more uniform heat transfer. The specially designed filter plate at the bottom of the reactor can withstand up to 10 kilograms of reaction liquid pressure while preventing dead zones at the reactor bottom. The filtration unit is made of flanges and PTFE materials connected to the reactor body. The filter can be equipped with a glass sand core, quartz sand core, or PTFE sand core, allowing easy disassembly, cleaning, and replacement. For solid-phase peptide synthesis, the reactor's filtration unit is made of PTFE connected to the reactor body via a flange, making disassembly, cleaning, and replacement convenient. The jacketed glass filtration reactor can be used for stirring, filtration, and vacuum filtration processes. Compared with conventional double-layer glass reactors, it adds a replaceable filter plate, which can use filter cloth or mesh, and filtration is performed under vacuum negative pressure. The high borosilicate glass reactor body has high transparency, a low thermal expansion coefficient, and allows easy observation of the experimental process. A stirring system can also be optionally installed. During gas-liquid reactions, gases such as nitrogen or oxygen can be introduced from the bottom. As the gas rises, the bottom's sand core pore size of 40 to 80 microns generates dense bubbles that fully contact the liquid, enabling fast and complete reactions, thereby shortening the reaction time.